Hey guys, today I'll show you how to change the voice in Waze. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Tap the menu or search icon. Then go to settings. From there, tap voice and sound to open the voice settings. Next, tap Waze voice. You'll see a list of available navigation voices in different languages and accents. Scroll through the list and tap the voice you want to use. Waze will automatically apply your selection, and you'll hear the voice during your next navigation session. If you like to hear street names while driving, choose a voice that supports spoken street names. If it's available
Dumaan
in
tayo
your
sa Crespo Dua
language,
Ginaldo, Daang
you
Hari,
can
East
also
Imus.
adjust the navigation volume in the same voice and sound menu to make the directions louder or quieter. That's all there is to it. Your new navigation voice is now ready to use. And that's how to change the voice in Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.